Let's take a look today at the all-new Platinum Coach Cadillac XT5 Phoenix. This Phoenix is one of our most popular models ordered and one of the most popular available within the industry. The colors within this casket compartment are your traditional black sidewall with the titanium headliner, as well as the very nice Madagascar floor. In the back of this Cadillac XT5 Phoenix, we have a beautiful built-in urn carrier, which is wide enough to fit either two side-by-side Mackenzie urns or a baby-sized casket if need be. Another great thing that Platinum did with this built-in urn carrier is they moved it closer to the foot of the casket floor itself, so it makes it much easier setting down the urn or picking the urn up for your pallbearer or funeral director. The church truck compartment within this coach here is a closed church truck with a flip lid. So what's nice about this, it allows it to stay out of the way if you want it hidden. If you want to stand it upright, you also have that option as well. And your umbrella storage off to the right. This coach also comes with your very traditional full tuxedo vinyl top and is dressed up a little bit on the exterior with your B and C pillar stainless, as well as your stainless crown band, which goes from one side over the top and all the way down to the other. So this Cadillac XT5 comes equipped with some great technology features, such as the push to start button, which allows you to just have the fob anywhere within the vehicle itself. Put your foot on the brake and start it with an easy just push of the button. Same thing with the turn it off, simply hit the button once again and that will turn the vehicle off. In addition to that, you also have your climate control all located down below, which can also be accessed up top either way. This comes with a very nice easy toggle switch, which allows you to navigate through your center console screen itself without putting any fingerprints on it. So you can maneuver from the home page down to the radio, to your climate controls, to your phone, whichever you're looking for. And simply just click of the button and it'll get you exactly where you need to go. In addition to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which you can use to sync your phone to the vehicle itself and use that for Google Maps or Waze. If you would like some more information on this beautiful coach that you see here or any of the other vehicles that we currently have in inventory, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-229-5008 or visit us online at parksuperior.com.